that
That's
him?
the little head, the baby's body, and look at the little hand.
Oh.
Just move.
How does he look? Is he big or small?
Little face.
Where's his face?
That's a little face.
Oh, that's the face.
Mouth, eyes, the forehead.
Okay.
We can see the hands here, and the other hand is just right there.
Oh, wow. It looks like he's gonna be long.
So this is a normal view at this time for the pictures in 5D.
I'm sorry?
That's a normal view
Okay.
of the picture of the baby face in 5D. So when the baby is bigger, so we can see it better
Okay.
in 5D. That's a heartbeat. A heart. Oops.
Is he moving? He is moving.
He's moving a lot. Sound good. Strong and fast. 151 beats per minute. It's okay, that is normal. This is the top of the head.
Okay. Are you able to see the sex of the baby yet?
Yes. I'm gonna check the baby's measurement first.
Okay.
Here's the belly.
Where is it at?
The baby's belly.
Okay.
The leg. This is the femur bones.
Okay. Is that the little piece at the top?
No, that's the leg.
Okay, that's the leg.
That's the leg, and that's the bone of the leg.
Okay.
So we're gonna get the measurement, and the baby has, at the end, we're gonna get the average is 15 weeks plus 5 days, according to the measurement. The estimated day, according to the measurement, is for October 28.
Okay.
The baby has 5 ounces. This is the way to be.
5 ounces?
5 ounces.
Okay.
This is the spine.
Good. Does it look okay?
Okay. Alright, well, let me see the baby's body.
No. Mm.
You already feel a little bit?
I feel just a little bit, not much. Mm.
You start to feel a little more strong when you are 90 weeks.
Okay.
Oh, you see it. Look
Oh,
at
you
this.
see it?
That's a little leg. And
Okay.
look at this in the middle.
Okay.
So we can see a little hole in the middle. And
No.
that's a little line beside. It's a little girl.
No, I don't want no girl.
It's a little
No,
girl.
I wanted a boy.
Oh, no.
No.
It's a little princess.
I don't want a girl. I wanted a boy.
You already have a girl.
I got a girl and a boy.
Oh, well.
Why does it have to be a girl?
It's a girl. It's a girl for sure.
I don't want a girl. What am I gonna do with another girl?
Oh. It's a princess as well.
Are you sure?
I'm really sure. Oh my God, he's so active. Look
I
at
don't
his
want a
legs.
girl.
Oh.
What am I gonna do with a little girl?